Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are making version 2. I chose a thin sew-in batting with no glue. It turned out into a cute slim fit pouch that is lightweight and flexible. In this video, I'll share my fabric prep and quilting tutorial step by step. Let's get sewing.
Outer fabric.
Lining fabric,
Thin sew-in batting. Snap buttons.
fabric label, and snap pliers. First, mark the quilting lines on the fabric. For beginners, this step keeps your stitching perfectly straight and prevents it from going crooked. Then pin the outer fabric to the batting and start quilting the grid lines. I'm using a heat erasable pen, so it's super easy to wipe the lines away later. Next, let's find the center point to attach the label. Adding an extra touch of cuteness to our pouch. Look at that, it looks so adorable. After that, let's move on to the lining. Sige, Hayun just sew one side for now. Next, press the seams open until they are completely flat, as always. Then, place the fabric pieces with right sides together. Sew all the way around, but make sure to leave about a 4 centimeter opening for turning it right side out. I like to mark this opening with a pen because it makes sewing so much easier. Here, we can use a needle to carefully pull out the corners, making them look sharp and neat. Next, use a ruler to gently push the lining all the way inside. Finally, let's install the snap buttons to complete the look. This is my second pouch. If you haven't seen the first one yet, you can click the link right up here. It's all done. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to support my channel. See you next time.